A little test bit before we go ahead and start welding. It looks like we got this side lined up real nice. All the bolt holes lined right up.
Oh yeah.
Jim likes it. We're gonna go ahead and get this piece welded in. I get that one welded in real good, then I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna section in this lower extension rail for the front apron. Shouldn't take much longer. Got this side welded in. Pocket welded in there. Pocket welded right there. Pocket welds over here. Got a little cleaning up on that side, a little grinding, a little spray paint. We're good to go. We're gonna start with this side now and go ahead and get it tied in. We got everything burned in. We got it washed off. We're gonna do a little bit of Scotch-Brite and get some shit prepped up. And we're gonna throw some silver paint on it and call it done. The whole rail put back in over here. Section in down there, lapped over. Some nice looking weld on it. About a wrap, babe. Done. Looks perfect to me, sir. Well, it's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. We got it all the way put together. Like I said, these are junkyard parts. Customer just wanted them to be the same color. It's just the best looking parts we could find at the yard. Everything does fit right, and the hood closes properly now. This fender over here is still fucked, like I said. It's not collapsed and caved in like the other one. They just wanted the same color. And this is as close as we can get with what we had. But I think it looks pretty fucking good. They'll be happy with it. It's safe to drive now. We'll send it down the road.